energy challenges of tomorrow link back to the environmental issues that our reliance on fossil fuels is creating today. The development of battery technologies is one of the key planks that will address this environmental issue in coming years. The ability to store and release energy in the transport sector is something that has been a key development over the last 3 to 4 years. But ironically, the first cars that were built over 100 years ago were mostly electric. It's been our dependence on fossil fuels in the last century that has caused irreparable harm to the environment and are causing immediate health problems to global populations. So we see the revolution towards electric vehicles being one of the key objectives to addressing some of the most pressing air quality problems that exist in the world today. We see a number of trends taking place in the EV industry. The first obviously relates to its growth. We're seeing enormous capacity expansion taking place all over the world across the supply chain. That's just not in battery manufacturing, but also in the raw material components that go into a battery. Companies like Tesla obviously drive a lot of the interest and the enthusiasm in this space. It needs to be put in perspective. There is probably 4 to 5 times Tesla's capacity currently under construction in China today. All of the regulatory direction that's being put in place by China will only go to strengthen the demand for batteries, electric vehicles, and ultimately all the raw materials that will be needed to feed that industry, including nickel.